When you're ready to pack your bag, don't forget your travel swag. Here's a list so you'll be set. Pack it all and you won't fret. First your toothbrush, don't leave it behind. A fresh, clean smile is always kind. Next comes your clothes, comfy and neat, for sunny skies or rainy streets. Pack your passport, keep it safe. It's your ticket to every place. Grab your shoes, a sturdy pair, for all the adventures waiting out there. Don't forget your snacks and drink. A little fuel helps you think. Your phone and charger, stay in touch to capture moments you love so much. A hat for shade and sunscreen too. Protect your skin, it's good for you. Pack a map or download a way to explore the world every day. And last but not least, don't forget your smile. It's the best essential all the while. So pack your bag and off you go. The world's a wonder, don't you know? With your travel kit, you're good to roam. Everywhere can feel like home.